Okay, we're up here for the Superbike Factory first bike night of the year in 2026. There's loads of bikes here. It's been a beautiful day. Kicked off about 5 o'clock, but it's just after 6 now. Still plenty of people here though. We'll have a walk around and see what we can spot. There's Simon and Amy from That Biker Simon. Say hello. Right.
So many bikes tonight,
Oh, that's great, mate.
Just saying they've had up to 1,100 hits on their
wow.
night pace, so that's just like...
Ice cream, coffee, burgers. Oh yeah. What? Plenty of people hungry. Some big queues for food. Great spot to come. Usually in the summer there's loads of bikes here during the day on a nice day. Plenty to see and do. Let's have a look at some bikes. Some old stuff. Little Panigale. Some quads. Oh, beautiful, mate. Look at these beauties. See you later. Have a walk up here into the other car park. There's so many bikes here tonight. It's great to see. First bike night of the year. Round here anyway, in the Midlands. Look at this trike over here. Man alive, check this out. Few people leaving now. Pure mayhem. Gotta love it. Oh, beautiful. Kenny Roberts, LC. God, I don't know where to go. There's so many bikes. Oh yeah, step through. Somebody's found his throttle. There is just hundreds of people here. I've never seen so many bikes at the Superbike Factory. Ah, lovely. Still going. Absolutely nuts. People starting to drift off now. Temperatures dropped. Oops. Temperatures dropped quite a lot. See if we can get some footage of people leaving. Wheelie there for the crowds. Still more coming in. And more. Noise, setting alarms off and everything. Somebody's alarm's going off down there, making all sorts of fantastic sounds. Well, there you go. Bike night, Superbike Factory. Crazy. They normally have about 2 or 3 of these throughout the year. I'm not sure when the next one is. I'll post it up. That was the next one. But on the 28th of April, I'm going to a place called Nadi, which is another big bike night. I'll film that and get some more footage there as well. I brought my Honda NS 400 out tonight. You can see it's looking gleaming. As featured on that biker Simon's channel tonight. He was here earlier. Yeah, lots of people still sitting down and enjoying some food, having a chinwag. Hi. So how far have you come tonight then, chaps?
Miles, cross seas and everything.
A bit further than you.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Yeah, well, crazy night tonight. It's just mad, full of bikes everywhere. As you can see, we had a good look around. People drifting off, going to some other bike nights now. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll film some more coming up. Quite good to just have a walk around if you ever get a chance to come down to one of these. It's great to see and a great social event as well. Anyway, we'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.